Hello everybody, this is Everyday Taipei, and today we are going to the Red House. So just to show you where it is in relation to everything, Taipei 101 is over here, Xilin Night Market is over here, Taipei Main Station is here. Where we are going is off of the Ximending station on the green or the blue line. You can exit at number 6, gonna go across the street and check out this historic site. So let's check it out. Okay, do you see that big balloon animal there? It's black. That is exit number 6. If you've seen my Ximending exit video, it's the same exit. So that's kind of convenient. Turn around, this red brick building here, that is the Red House, the iconic Red House. It was built in 1908 by the Japanese government, and it was a theater, it was a market, and now it's like a cultural heritage site. When you go inside, it's free to enter. There's like a tea room that's I've heard is good, but a little bit expensive. You can find a lot of good tea a lot of places, so not the top of my list, I would say. And there's a bunch of boutique souvenir type stores. The quality is better than a normal boutique store because it's products from like a local artists. So I'd recommend it if you have souvenirs that you wanted to purchase or needed to purchase. It is the weekend, so there is a market outside if you wanted to take a look at that kind of stuff as well. Around the Red House, they have all these different shops here too, so it's kind of an interesting place to be. If you didn't already know, Ximending is kind of like a big focal area, or this area is kind of like a big focal area for the gay community in Taipei. There's a very big gay community here. Taiwan is the first country in Asia to legalize gay marriage. I think everybody's pretty proud of that fact. And so, I mean, I actually have no authority to say this, I have no experience to say this, but I want to say that Ximending is kind of the focal point for some of the gay community. And so you'll see here there's a couple of gay bars, some rainbow flags here, and I really want to make my way out here when the weather gets a little bit better. You'll see here there's a bunch of seating area, like a lot of patio area here, outdoor patio seating. And so that's something you actually don't really find a lot in Taipei. It's a very compact place. It's a very, there's not a lot of open spaces, a lot of, especially open drinking areas. And so these are all bars. You can see there's not a lot of people out right now because it's the winter, and there was actually a really big cold front during this time, and it was bitterly cold, super cold. And so there's not going to be a lot of people out right now. But you kind of can start to think like, okay, maybe during the summertime, maybe during the springtime when the weather is nice, you get a lot of people out there. It'll be a nice time to chill outside, have a drink, kind of like people watch. And so I think if that's your thing, you can come out here and check it out. I definitely want to, for sure. Also, if you're here during Pride weekend, it is a major hub for that. There's like a stage here, they have performances, and it is packed. If you do not like crowds, do not come, but it is something to behold for sure. Like, you cannot move, there's that many people. It's definitely one of the spots that you know is going to be, there's going to be something going on that weekend here. There always is, for sure. So that area is the bar area in the backside. Over on this side, it's kind of, they haven't really found anything for it, really. This is just like wide open spaces. And I think the lights just turned on, right? Did I? Go rewind that and see if they just turned on. But if you saw my Ximending video, that place is always crazy on the weekends. There's going to be a lot of people. But as you can see, it's just right across the street, and it feels miles away. It's a lot more quiet and tame during this time of day. And so I'm kind of sad by that. I'd like it to be utilized a little bit more, but it seems like the crowds don't come here at this time. Usually it's more of a nighttime type of scene. And it's around that bar area. They have this huge courtyard. Would you call this a courtyard area? That's kind of underutilized. I've never really seen a lot of people here, even though it's a wide open space in a place that has so few of those. There's a stage here because there's some type of event. If you see this hall, that's where all the like boutique-y type shops are. So that's where you'll get all the local artist type of fare. Yeah, there's this some type of event. I don't know. But that was my short little video. There is a second floor on like the plaza surrounding it, but I've gone up there and there's not a whole lot. I think the business there has suffered. Yeah, nothing was open, and I don't really know. It's not very welcoming, and I don't think a lot of people know about it. But it's there. I think there's like a couple bars up there as well. Okay, so we're coming up at the end of my tour of the Red House. It's a very quick one. I just wanted to show you guys the Red House. I just wanted to show you guys the types of stores you'll see, the types of bars you'll see, the kind of vibe you'll expect on a weekend. But other than that, we'll just be ending on the Red House itself. If you have any other places you'd like to see in Taipei, just let me know. I'm going to try and check it out. Other than that, I'll be seeing you.